Hello everyone. Diwali is the festival of light. Let's know why do we celebrate Diwali and its significance. Happy Diwali to you all. Diwali is the festival of light celebrated across the country. The word Diwali comes from Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means row of lighted lamps. The festival is celebrated in the month of Kartik, usually falls in the mid of October to November. Diwali is the festival of 5 days celebration. Let's know the significance of each day. Day 1 is called Dhanteras. It signifies the wealth and prosperity. It is believed that Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, born on this day. So, diyas are lit to mark auspicious occasion. Dhanteras is considered an auspicious to purchase clothes, jewelry, utensils, etc. Day 2 is called Choti Diwali or Kali Chaudas. In this second day, people decorate their homes with earthen diyas and create design pattern rangoli on the floor using color sand. According to Hindu mythology, it is said that the Asur Narkasur was killed on this day by Lord Krishna, Satyabhama and Kali. It is celebrated by the name Kali Chaudas or Choti Diwali. Third day is the main day of Diwali festival. It is a day that goddess Lakshmi present ushering wealth and prosperity. So we lit diyas near open doors and windows to welcome goddess Lakshmi and do Lakshmi Puja in this day. Fourth day is celebrated in different ways in India. It is celebrated as a new year in western states such as Gujarat. Somewhere it is celebrated as a Govardhan Puja. And the last day, fifth day of Diwali is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. It celebrates the bond between brother and sister, most popular in North India. Now let's know why do we celebrate Diwali? What is the history behind it? According to Ramayana, the Hindu mythology, Diwali is the day when Lord Ram and his wife Sita and brother Lakshman returned to their homeland Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. Everybody lit the path with diyas and colorful light to guide them on their way and welcome them. Who had defeated the demon king Ravan, who abducted Sita in the forest. So every year we celebrate Diwali by decorating and lightening our homes with diyas and other colorful lights. We make colorful rangoli on floors. We do Lakshmi Puja, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. We exchange greetings, gifts and sweets with family and friends. Dazzling fireworks go off. Their noise and light helps to scare away evil spirit and celebrate the victory of good over evil. But the firecracker causes severe air pollution and increase the risk of respiratory problem, skin allergies, and several other health issues. To keep ourselves happy and healthy, use green firecrackers. Green firecrackers do not contain harmful and dangerous chemicals in it. It has low sound effect, which also prevent us from noise pollution. Celebrate Diwali, Happy Diwali and Safe Diwali. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share and subscribe the channel. Can also follow on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.